Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of liver health and exploring 10 foods that can help repair and support your liver. The liver is a vital organ responsible for detoxifying the body and aiding in various metabolic processes. Incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet can play a significant role in promoting liver health and overall well-being. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Lemons Vitamin C Boost. Lemons are a rich source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in stimulating liver function. Vitamin C helps boost the production of liver detoxifying enzymes, aiding the liver's ability to process and eliminate toxins. Including lemons or their juice in the diet can be a simple and effective way to support liver health and enhance its natural detoxification processes. Number 9. Cruciferous Vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, are a group of vegetables that contain glucosinolates. These compounds are known to aid in liver detoxification, supporting the liver's ability to process and eliminate toxins from the body. Regular consumption of cruciferous vegetables can contribute to overall liver health and well-being. Number 8. Beets Natural Liver Cleanser. Beets are known as a natural liver cleanser due to their unique composition. They contain betaine, a compound that supports liver detoxification and helps eliminate toxins from the body. Additionally, beets are rich in antioxidants, which further promote liver health and protect it from harmful free radicals. Number 7. Walnuts Nutrient-Dense Nuts. Walnuts are nutrient-dense nuts packed with a wide range of beneficial compounds for liver health. They are rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenols, as well as healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients play a crucial role in supporting liver health and protecting it from oxidative damage, making walnuts a valuable addition to a liver-friendly diet. Number 6. Green tea catechins for liver health. Green tea is renowned for its health-promoting properties, and it contains a group of antioxidants known as catechins. These catechins have been shown to support liver function and may help reduce the risk of liver diseases. Regular consumption of green tea can contribute to the overall well-being of the liver and aid in maintaining its optimal function. Number 5. Turmeric Curcumin's Benefits. Turmeric, the golden spice renowned for its culinary and medicinal uses, contains a potent active compound called curcumin that offers numerous benefits for liver health. Curcumin is well known for its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which play a crucial role in protecting the liver from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. By neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing inflammation, curcumin supports the liver's natural repair processes, making it a valuable ally in maintaining optimal liver health. Number 4. Garlic Natural Detoxifier. Garlic, with its distinctive flavor and numerous health benefits, serves as a natural detoxifier for the liver. It contains sulfur compounds, such as allicin, that aid in liver detoxification processes by assisting in the elimination of toxins from the body. These compounds also play a key role in activating enzymes that support the liver's optimal function. Regular consumption of garlic can be a flavorful and beneficial way to enhance liver health and support the liver in its vital role of detoxifying harmful substances from the body. Number 3. Olive oil Healthy Fat for Liver. Olive oil, a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, is not only heart healthy but also beneficial for the liver. It contains monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid, which have potent anti-inflammatory properties. These properties help reduce inflammation in the liver and promote its proper functioning. By substituting other cooking oils with olive oil, individuals can make a simple yet effective dietary change to support liver health and improve overall dietary quality. Number 2. Leafy Greens Nutrient-Rich Support. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses packed with essential nutrients, including antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients play a crucial role in supporting the liver's detoxification processes, helping it remove toxins and waste products from the body. Additionally, the antioxidants found in leafy greens help protect the liver from oxidative damage and support overall liver health. Incorporating these nutrient-rich leafy greens into the diet can enhance the liver's natural detoxification capacity and contribute to its well-being. Number 1. Fatty Fish Omega-3 Powerhouse. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are not only delectable but also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential polyunsaturated fats with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. These beneficial fats play a significant role in supporting liver health by reducing inflammation and promoting proper liver function. Regular consumption of fatty fish can contribute to maintaining a healthy liver and overall well-being. Including these liver-friendly foods in the diet, such as turmeric, garlic, olive oil, leafy greens, and fatty fish, can be a proactive approach to supporting liver health and ensuring the organ's optimal function in the body. There you have it, a comprehensive list of 10 foods that can repair and support your liver. By incorporating these nutrient-packed foods into your diet, you can promote liver health and overall well-being. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have existing liver issues or medical conditions. Together, let's prioritize liver health and embrace the power of these liver-loving foods. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content. Stay healthy and take care.